In CapCut, tap text and add your caption. Then head over to audio. From audio, move down to effects, search for pop or whoosh, and drag the audio to align exactly with the first frame of your text. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, you follow, and comment what you'd like to see next. Stay blessed.